So the AirTags come wrapped up. So when you want to use one, you'll pull the plastic off right next to your phone. Hey guys, Brad here. Today we're going to take a look at an Apple product. This is the AirTag. It's a 4-pack of AirTags. I really do like these things because they're great for tracking your lost keys, lost vehicles, tools. So for me, it's great, having lots of tools. Being on big job sites, I can kind of track where my stuff is. So with the kit, it's got Apple's really nice packaging as always. You open it up and you got your 4 AirTags. There's only 3 right here because I've got one being used at the moment, but this is essentially what you get. So the AirTags come wrapped up. So when you want to use one, you'll pull the plastic off right next to your phone and your phone will recognize it. It will then allow you to name this AirTag. You can customize the name, or you can just use one of their pre-chosen names like keys or wallet or something like that. Super easy to use. You do need an iPhone to make this work. You use the Find My app, and that allows you to find the AirTag, wherever you have it, whether it be in the house or outside. They will give off a sound if you want. They're easy to hear. You can also track it with the tracker on your phone. Really cool little tracker that shows you how many meters you are away from the actual AirTag when you're trying to find the item. The Find My app comes with your phone, so you don't need to download it or go to the App Store. It's just part of your phone. So just go in the search bar, type in Find My, and your app will come right up, and then you'll be able to find your little AirTags. I really love the AirTags. I've been using trackers for years now, and I think this is one of the best ones out there. It just really makes things easy. If you lose stuff easily, like in your purse or wherever it might be, throw one on your backpack. So the AirTag is something that anyone can use. It doesn't just have to be for someone losing their keys or someone like myself losing tools. You can use it on anything: bicycles, cars, boats, whatever you want. There's an application for this. All right, guys, so I hope this helps. These AirTags are awesome for all kinds of different applications. Keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.